That's okay. There we go. Come on. Oh, I saw the miner. That's $100. Come on. Big money, big money, big money. Miner. Oh, 50 bucks. There we go. 54 total.
I thought you were doing dimes.
Oh, yeah. I was betting dimes, but I couldn't get a bonus on dimes. Ooh, there we go. We're up to 54.64. All right, do a couple bag of spins.
Nice.
Bank, 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 bank. All right, catch it up. 52.64.
Yeah, for now.
Hey, everybody, Sockcats here.
We're playing Lock It Link. Piggy Bankin.
Yeah, I saw this huge major, so we came over.
Look at the grand.
Okay, and the grand.
Chase the grand.
I gotta chase the grands instead of majors. Oh my goodness. We just put 20 bucks in. It was like our third spin. We got a bonus. So wish us luck. Here we go. Fill it in. Come on, piggies. Oh. Come on. Let's fill it in. Full screen. Oh, we're getting there. We got a couple more piggies. There we go. Come on, piggies.
We have one more spin.
Fill it in. Oh. We need piggy here to be major eligible. Piggy.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, we are. This size piggy makes you major eligible, and I have got this major piggy on a $1.25 bet, I think. So, here we go. Ready? Come on, show us that major. Land it. Oh, there's a miner for $100 bucks. Come on. Come on. $70. That's amazing. $73. We started with 20 bucks. So crazy.
This is the hit front technique.
Right? Oh, look at the dancing piggies. Alright, I'm gonna help it out. Look at that. Our ticket's 90 bucks. Let's stop at 80. How's
Okay.
that?
Back to back.
One more. Alright, I'm gonna change to nickels. Yes. Alright, ready? 250 a spin. Thanks. Oh my goodness. Come on, piggies. Alright, oh, 2 more spins. Ready? Let's do it. Piggies! Ah! Alright, our last spin. I know I'm gonna go under by a penny.
Yes.
One more spin. Do it. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, all right. Well, we're going to cash out. It's still $80 in my mind. Started with 20. 4 times what we started with. Cash out. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're the Sockcats. Hey, everybody. Sockcats here.
We're playing Lock It Link Huff and Puff.
Yes, we are. There's our progressives up there. Whoop, whoop. All right, we've got it on the 2-cent denom. We got a little bit of free play in there, so wish us luck. 3 more, 2 more. Oh, we got it! Woo! This is such a hard bonus to get. Oh my goodness. Way to go. All right, let's do it.
Ready? Go.
Come on, we need lots of hats. Hats. Oh, we got the wolves. There we go.
I'm hungry like a wolf.
I know, but I want hats. Come on, hats. Hats. All right, we got a wooden house. Hats, 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 hats. We got a mansion.
Okay,
Woohoo!
three games remaining.
All right, come on, hats. Let's get some more hats. Oh, come on. Let's re-trigger. Let's re-trigger. Hats, hats, hats. One more. Oh, that's all right. Yes, we do. Straw houses, a wooden house, and a mansion. All right, Mr. Wolf. Have a pup. Come on, have some pup. Do it. All right, here we go. We're on the 2 cent denom, so everything is double. All right, that's $10 to start. Come on. All right, $3. Come on, we want a coin right here.
Big money.
Come on, coin, coin, coin. Oh, there we go. What is that? $37.50.
All right.
Nice. And did I mention this was on free play? We just won $50 on free play.
Wait, that's awesome.
We had $50 of our own cash and some free play in there. We just won $50.
All right. Let's open it up.
Let's do it. Look at that. What is that? $57.80. There we go.
$115.70.
Woo woo. We doubled up.
Couple backup spins.
All right, let's do it. Let's get another bonus. All right, we're gonna cash out 113.20.
This is Lockie Link Huff and Puff.
Woo! Winning on free play.
Let's find another winning slot machine.
Let's do it. Hey everybody, Sockcats here.
Guess what we're playing?
Dancing Drums Explosion.
Yes.
We love this game. Anyways, we've got $110 on our ticket. You want to do a couple of 588s?
Yes.
Why not, right? Let's do a few. So that makes us, that makes us eligible for the explosion. Oh, come on, drum, drum, drum. Drums. Oh, three.
You know what I want to know from our viewers? What is your favorite version of Dancing Drums? Was it Prosperity, the original Dancing Drums, or Explosion?
Yes, which one?
Isn't there even Dancing Drum reels too?
There's a 3-reel, yeah, or 5-reel. Yeah, we played that one before.
Yeah.
I like that one. All right. I like them better when they bonus.
Amen to that.
Come on, where's our drums? Let's do it.
He was so active at first. Come on.
Well, I did change the bet. I'll go back to 588.
We don't have to do that.
All right, let me do one more. Oh, there we go, $18. All right, drum, drum, drum. Close that pot. Oh, one in the first row would have had a 5-symbol trigger. Come on, we won that gold drum bonus. Do it, close it. Come on, drum, drum, drum. We have 5 spins. Oh, food dogs. Oh, darn it. Come on, drums. Oh, no. All right, last spin unless we re-trigger. Come on, re-trigger. Drum, drum, drum. Drums. Oh, no re-trigger this time. Darn it.
$24 each.
$24 in the bonus.
Not bad. Could have been better.
Yes. All right, you want to do a couple bag of spins?
Good.
All right, we'll do a couple. And one more. Oh my gosh, drum, drum, drum. All right, we're gonna cash out right there, 87.13 on Durancing Drums Explosion.
We're gonna go find another 20 slot machine.
Yeah, for now. All right, first spin bonus on Willy Wonka, Dreamer of Dreams. Which bonus are we gonna get? Let's do the wheel. Come on, wheel, yellow. Heidi loves yellow. Oh, we got a super Oompa Loompa. That would be good. Green or yellow? Come on, green or yellow? Over here. Oh, we got the red. I don't think I've ever had grab bag free spins.
My dear friends,
I'm not sure what this
you are
is.
now about to enter the nerve center
Ooh,
to the entire
the nerve
Wonka
center.
factory.
Lordy, collect bags on the reels to win. Touch to pick. What are we gonna do? 6 spins with 6 high reels, 5 with 8, 4 with 10, 3 with 12, or mystery. I've never played this before. I'm gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh, crazy, crazy, crazy. Mystery. It won't let me pick it. Oh, there it goes. 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, we got 10. We need at least 4 spins. Come on, 6, 6. Oh, okay, we got 4 and 10. All right. Let's see how high we go. Here we go. We need bags. Grab bags. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Look at them all. Oh my gosh, did we win what's on the bags? Oh, we gotta get a frame now. Frame them all. Oh no, go up. Oh, we only got the bottom ones? Okay, so I've never played this one before. Alright, well that's a little something. Too bad we didn't get all of them, huh? That would have been bananas. Okay, $8.50 on our first one. Come on, bags. Oh, we got bags? Ooh, we want the gold bags. Okay, so we want the frame up there where the gold bags are. They're getting smaller. Big frame. Stop. Stop. Yes! We got 2 of the $15 bags. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
You did it, Mr. Wonka. Congratulations. Get up, take a look.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Wonka. Oh my goodness. Look at it. That's only our second spin. Woo. 51.60. I love playing this game. Bags. Yellow bags. Oh, we want yellow bags. No yellow bags. All right, come on. Bring us a big frame. Big frame. Oh, we got big frame. Come on. Stop. Stop. Oh, no. Only got the 3 rows on the bottom. Look at all the bags we left behind. All right, that's okay. That's a $60 bonus so far. With 1 more spin. That's the first spin bonus. So can't argue about that. There we go. 63 maybe? 64.10. All right, come on, bags. Yellow bags, gold bags. Gold bags, lots of gold bags. Okay, we only have 1. It's up there. So we want the frame to stop up at the top. Top, 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 top. Oh no, over here. That's all right. We got some decent ones. $5, $5. All right. We got 3 $5 ones. That's amazing. That's gonna be like an $80 bonus on my first spin. Oh my gosh, bananas. How cool was that? I had definitely never had this bonus before. Super fun. Look at that one. $90. Oh my goodness. Bananas. Golden ticket. Do it. Golden ticket. Oh, they were empty. Darn. Oh, big win. This machine is so beautiful. Willy Wonka, Dreamers of Dreams. I love playing it when I'm in the casino. It's a big win. Every go. That was on our first spin. Let's see if we can get a Oompa Loompa feature or another W. Oh, we would have had a respin. One more. All right, we're gonna cash out 186.54. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're the Slot Cats. Meow for now.
Yeah.